Dear students, in this class we shall study the images formed by the convex lens and nature of the images and also how to write the ray diagram. So welcome all of you. So see here, when image is formed by a convex lens when object is beyond 2f. So here you can see the animation image. So this is not the ray diagram. It is when 2f beyond 2f. So beyond 2f the image is formed between f and 2f, f and 2f or f and c. Okay, f and c. When an object is at infinite distance, so then here I don't have figures. When object is at infinite distance, then the image is formed at f. We can find the focal length of any convex lens by getting the images of the distinct object on a wall or any screen and find the distance between the image and lens. So that is nothing but the focal length. Okay, that is nothing but the focal length. So the distance between the optic center, this is optic center and this is focum center. So the distance between them is called focal length. So we can find the focal length by getting the images of the faraway objects on screen or wall by convex lens. So after that, take a lens stand and put a lens stand on the lens and uh, take a scale and at for example 20 centimeter is the focal length, make a 20 centimeter here f, here c or 2f, in this side also f and c or 2f. So then we can do the experiments. When you take a candle and far away or just beyond the 2f, just beyond the 2f here, so then we can get the images here. What are the nature of the image? I think you can understand here. Inverted, small, the position is between f and 2f. When object is just beyond, then the position of the image is between f and 2f, between f and 2f, inverted, real, because we can cut on a screen. So inverted, real, f and c are f and 2f and the size is small. So when object is far away from the lens, so that is infinite distance, then image is formed at f, image is formed at f, it is very small, it is very small and inverted and real. Okay, are you clear? I think when object is at infinite distance, then the image is formed at f, very small, real and inverted. When just beyond c or 2f, then the image is formed between f to f and 2f. Here I am saying f and 2f and inverted, small compared to the object and real because we can cut on the screen. So this is the nature of the image. Let us move on to the next one. So position of the object is just beyond 2f. Here is an experiment. I am showing here experiment. So here candle is there just beyond 2f. Then you are observing that the image is small and between f and 2f, because that experiment is done in experiment was done in dark room. So therefore I think you are not clear, but the image you can see very clearly. So this is the experiment to show just beyond the 2f. So now let us see how to write the diagram. Okay. So take a scale and draw a straight line of 10 centimeter or 8 centimeter and put a middle portion as optic center O, that is optic center O, and from that mark here, and from the opposite side mark here to draw the convex lens. Here where you have to compass put, so that is, for example, if you consider f from O 2 centimeter, so I am here taking 4 centimeter from O. If you take 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter is so small, so therefore I am advise you to take 2 centimeter from the O, then again 4 centimeter from O, the C. Here also right side, the 2 centimeter from O and 4 centimeter from 4 centimeter, C is 4 centimeter from O. So then from the point C, using compass, you can a small arc and both the sides, then you will get this type of lens very clearly. Okay, now I am keeping the object at a distance just beyond C, just beyond C. Object is AB, object is AB. Then draw a one line parallel to principal axis, and that from that O it passes through, from that O it bends and passes through the F and extend like this and extend like this. So then take another ray from the point B directly passing through the optic center and produce, they converge just at a point, they converge just at a point. See here, they are converging, they are intersecting at a point. From that intersecting point, draw a perpendicular from the principal axis. So now that is the position of the image, that is image A dash B dash. From that you can find the nature. The position of the image is, the position of the image is between, the position of the image is between C and F and inverted, because AB is inverted as A dash B dash, that is inverted, and small size compared to the object, small size compared to the object, real, because we can cut on a screen. So therefore nature is, the image formed is between F and C, very small, inverted and real, because we can cut on a screen. So therefore this is the nature of the image formed by the convex lens when an object is kept, when an object is kept. So you see here, inverted, real. Okay, next we shall move on to the next. Position of the object is at F. Here you can see the experiment. So see here from the experiment. So the image is size is same and it is formed at 2F or C itself, and inverted. You can observe that the candle, flame of candle is inverted there. So real, because that is image is formed on the screen. So therefore nature is, the position is C itself. When object is at C or at 2F, the position is C itself, inverted, same size and real. So this is an experiment. So now let us see how to draw the ray diagram. See here, same type. So now draw the 24 centimeter. I am taking 24 centimeter, and middle point is represent as O. Middle point is represent as O. From O, take 4 centimeter. It is more in your exercise. Take 2 centimeter is enough. And from that 8 centimeter from O or 4 centimeter from O, distance are equidistant, then you can't get a clear figure. So F1 is 4 centimeter, F2 is also 4 centimeter from O, and C is 8 centimeter from O, both the sides. C1 and C2 are 8 centimeter from O, both the sides. So here C1, C2 are 2F1 and the same. Now observe here, from the point C, take a small arc and draw like here. Then you can get the clear convex lens. Okay. Now I am keeping object at C, that is nothing but 2F. Draw a one line parallel to that object is AB. Draw a one line parallel to principal axis from B, and it is passes through the F2. It is passes through the focal center, that is focal center F2, and take another ray from B which is passing through the optic center and produce, taking another ray from B which is passing through the optic center and passing through the optic center and produce. They intersect at a point. Draw a perpendicular from that intersect point to principal axis. I think you are clear. Now object, now the image is formed. If object is at C, the image is formed at C itself. The size is same. The size is same and inverted and real. So when object is at C or at 2F, then size is same, inverted and real. So I am clarifying once. When at infinite distance the image is formed F, just beyond 2F, just beyond C, it comes here, and little compared to F1 the image is slight bigger. Now when object comes at C, it is same size. Now in the next we will kept the object in between the C and F. Then I think you can guess what may be the position of the object and what may be the size, because here small, very small, same size, next big, isn't it? So let us see. So now position is in between F and C. Now let us draw the ray diagram. So middle point consider as O. Middle point consider as O. From that middle point, take 4 centimeter. For your convenience, take 2 centimeter enough, but 1 centimeter is, it becomes very small. So 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. make mark O, F1, F2 and 2F1, 2F2 are C1, C2. From the C, both the side from the C1 and C2, taking compass and draw a small arc as shown, then you will get the clear convex lens. Because sometimes you may write, if you don't use the compass, then you may write so bulgy or so narrow. But by using this, you know that because center of curvature, because the convex lens is a part of a sphere, that center is center of curvature. So therefore from that point center of curvature we draw a small arc, then it becomes a piece of a sphere. So it clears that idea also. So now I am keeping the object at in between C and F. AB is the object. Similarly draw a ray, take a ray and parallel to the principal axis, and that bends at O, and it passes through the F2, and take another ray from the point B which is passes through the O and extends, which intersect the first ray. You are observing that intersecting point. From that intersecting point draw a perpendicular like this. In the previous ray diagram, the size becomes equal. Now the position becomes beyond C. Beyond C. Now let us study the image. The position is beyond C. The position is beyond C. The position is beyond C. Size is big. Size is big. Size is big. Size is big and inverted. Okay, the position of the image is between F and C. Position of the image is between F and C. The size is very big and inverted and real. I think you are clear. So now next. So here is an animation to show that when an object is at F, so then you can't get the image because the rays are goes straight, the image is formed at infinity. Okay, we shall study this by ray diagram. Position of the object is at F.
ತಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅಥವಾ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆತನದ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ
See here, see here, the position of the object is at the position of the object is at the position is of the object is at F. The objection is the position of the object is at F. Here O, from that O take a 0.4 centimeter from O, and here the F2 is the 4 centimeter from O, and similarly
ಇನ್ನು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ
draw convex lens here. Now take position is at F. Position is at F. Now draw a line from B parallel to principal axis, which is passing through F, extend behind also, and take another ray which is passing through the O and produce both the sides. You know that they never cut, they are parallel. So we say that the image is formed at infinite distance. The image is formed at infinite distance. Okay. Now let us see the when position of the object is between F and O. See the ray diagram. See the ray diagram. Here image is formed, virtual image, just behind the object. In last all the position of the, when object is position, different position, then the image is formed opposite sides of the lens and real images. But in this case, the image is formed behind the object and erect, not inverted, and big size. You know that convex lens gives a big size of the images, real images. So let us see the ray diagram. Let us see the ray diagram. Now take a midpoint. Same at a 4 distance F1, F2, 8 centimeter distance from C1, C2. Now kept the object between O and F here. Kept the object between O and F. So draw like this convex mirror. Convex mirror from C. Then you will get the now kept here between F and O. Now draw the ray from point B parallel to the optic principal axis and passes through the F2 and extend beyond, extend both the sides behind the lens, behind the object like this, because here the image formed behind the object, the image is not real, that is you can't catch on a screen, you can't catch it on a screen. So here Now position is same side of the object, size is big, virtual, not inverted, this is erect. So I think you are clear. When object is in between the F and O, then the image formed is virtual, erect, big and behind the object. So this is the image formed by the convex lens at different places of the position of the object. So now here is an image you can see when candle is kept in between F and O. Here you can see inside the mirror, but because of reflection this is not clear, but you can see the image inside the mirror. In all cases you never seen inside the mirror. Okay, so now once again consolidation of the result. When at infinity the image is real, at F small inverted, beyond F or C then real between F and C small inverted, at F real, at F itself same size inverted, between F and C real, beyond to F, here observe at F, then between F and C at F, beyond to F. Observe the size, small, here very small, small, same size, big. Here all inverted. After that at F, no image because rays are parallel, and between F and O, it is virtual, not real. Size, big size, it is position behind the object, big size and erect, not inverted. This is the special case. So I think you are clear. So try to draw the ray diagrams, and I am showing experiment from this itself. It is not possible to take the videos because it gets more GB, so it is not possible. So I am showing some experiments in this PPT itself, photo of the experiment. Okay, I think you are clear. So try to draw the diagram and do this as activity. So thank you.